Hello Hathorians, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can simply swap your USDC on Arbitrum to HUSDC in order to provide liquidity on Dozer Finance. Let's get stuck in. So simply we just go to the Dozer Finance homepage and we enter the app, and we are prompted, we're going to connect to MetaMask this time. That's where the USDC is. I'm just going to head over to the bridge here, click through, and before I get started, it's simply going to go up to MetaMask and show you the balance. I have just over $5 here in USDC on Arbitrum. I'm going to select 5. That's the number that we're going to, and that's the minimum. And simple, you confirm, and it shows you step by step. You usually have to do 2 confirmations here. It's really swift. Now the bridge can take up to anything between 5 minutes to 10 minutes, but on this occasion it literally took under 3 minutes, and it's been sped up for the video purpose. So now I'm going to head over back to the web wallet, where you'll be able to see the updated amount any second now, and done. 4.99, well 5 HUSDC swapped over from USDC, and now ready to deposit liquidity on Dozer Finance. Cheers. Hello Hathorians, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can benefit from the official Hathor Liquidity Incentive Program by depositing HUSDC into Dozer Finance and getting an instant HTR reward. So let's get this done. I'm going to show you in under 1 minute. So simply go to Dozer Finance's page and go to the Oasis page. Connect your Hathor wallet. In this one, you could do MetaMask or Hathor wallet, and connecting via Reown. Done. So I have around $4.99 in my wallet, so I'm just going to lock that amount here. It's usually around 5 minimum, and you can select 6, 9 or 12 months. I'm going to select 12 months, and you can see the bonus you'll get and some metrics here. We add liquidity, confirm everything here again, check your bonus. And it's simple as that. You confirm the nano contract. Let me put my password in again. And after a few moments, it should be done. So simply go to my position page, see the pair there, the amount that's locked. It shows you how much USDC you've got locked in and how much reward you can get. You can even withdraw your bonus now. So now I'm just going to quickly withdraw the bonus now. And within seconds, your bonus is with you in your Hathor wallet. And that's all done. So guys, if you want to deposit liquidity, head over to the Oasis page on Dozer Finance now.